I'm Priyanka from Gilbert, and today I'm going to tell you about French electronics brand Thomson, which has recently announced its entry into Indian market. The company has launched 3 smart TVs, that is 43 inches, 32 inches and 40 inches, which will be exclusively available on Flipkart. Meanwhile, we got a chance to speak with Avneek Singh Marwa, CEO from Super Plestronics, which is Indian brand licensee for Thomson. So stay tuned. Exactly you have launched today?
So we have launched 2 series, UD9 and B9. We have 3 models right now: 32 Smart, 40 Smart and 43 4K.
And what exactly, what was the price of these products?
So we have launched 32 in the most affordable category, that is 13490. That is 13490, India's most affordable TV in terms of 32 Smart. 40 is 19999, again India's most affordable, and then 43 4K, that is for 27999, again the most affordable.
What about your future launches? Do you have
future launches? You will see, you will be updated, and we'll make sure that you get the news before. And there are future plans. We'll be having more, more models.
Can you give me any figure or number?
Number in terms of?
How many more products? How many
SKUs?
Yes.
No, that we can't reveal as of now, as per our marketing strategy. But this is the 3 TVs, and in future you will see more models.
So do you have your manufacturing plant here? Or?
Yeah, we have 3 manufacturing plants here over here. We do complete backward integration, and one is in Muna, one is in Jammu, and another one is in SPPL, that's a head plant in Noida.
What kind of investment you have made in this plants and all in India?
150 crore rupees in terms of manufacturing, equipment, production, everything. And we have on record, I have just said 2 weeks back. So we are doing a lot of manufacturing activities.
And where you are going to place this product? Only online?
Only online. Flipkart is our online partner, exclusive. Only on Flipkart.
No offline plans?
Nothing. The live stream will be there if it's connected to HDMI, and then you have Aptoide, where you can download any app, any smart TV app that you want. Then this preloaded apps and Miracast, that's there in all televisions and apps. And this is other pre-downloaded apps. And for any other app, you can just straight away go here. I don't know whether anyone is connected over here or not, but you can straight away go to Aptoide and download any app. Yeah, it's good. So these are the international and Indian apps that you have.
You're providing Indian content also, right?
Indian and international, everything.
And what about the competition with other players?
Competition with other players, as you said, we are most affordable category brand now. We are launched in one of the biggest launch for 32 inches. And in future also you will see the kind of affordability category that will be there, and with fully loaded TVs.
So Thomson will be only in this segment, or do you have plan to pour into other segment also?
As in segment?
Like smartphones and other segments?
No, nothing. As of now we're just focusing on smart TVs.
And what kind of expectations you have with this, with these launches and all?
You can see how Flipkart is supporting us. We have every day Kalki Kochi has unrevealed the French brand, so you can see the kind of Flipkart, and they have a very good partnership that we have with Flipkart. So the kind of support that they have given and the kind of trust they have shown, and they know for the last 30 years we have in our DNA it's televisions. So therefore, and you will see that the consumer will like it and they will really appreciate it.
Okay, thank you.